April 25th, 2026. Let's get into it. Quick shout out to today's sponsor Compete Token, the gaming crypto that actually has real games you can actually play. Link in the description. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF just made history, and the suits and pinstripes are officially in too deep to ever back out. CoinDesk is calling it the milestone that proves crypto is now a fully mainstream bet, with BlackRock's spot fund crossing a level no traditional asset got to this fast. Remember when these same Wall Street guys were calling Bitcoin rat poison squared? Now they're the single biggest holder. The cope is incredible, and the inflows aren't stopping. Bears are out here saying Bitcoin's heading to 40,000, and Bitcoin just laughed and ripped to its highest price since January. Bitcoin punched back above $79,000 this week, and VanEck analysts say the on-chain signals are screaming there's way more upside coming. The funding rate just flipped to negative 1.8%, the lowest since 2023, and historically when funding goes that negative, Bitcoin returns about 70% over the next 6 months. Meanwhile, some analyst over at CoinDesk is out there saying Bitcoin at 40,000 would be a near unprecedented statistical outcome. Yeah, no kidding, because that's not happening. Trump just hosted what he's calling the most exclusive crypto conference ever, and the speaker list reads like a fever dream. Mike Tyson, Cathie Wood, and the Tether CEO all in the same room, with the president defending his pro-crypto legislation push live on stage. 2 years ago, this event would have been illegal, immoral, and probably fattening. Now it's a sitting president going to bat for crypto bills in front of a heavyweight champ and the world's largest stablecoin issuer. We are so back. Bitcoin got Iran-pilled today. The price took a hit after Trump reportedly canceled the Steve Witkoff and Jared Kushner trip to Iran for the talks, killing hopes of a quick de-escalation in the region. Look, crypto trades on macro now, like it or not. Geopolitical risk goes up, risk assets sell off, Bitcoin included. The good news, Bitcoin's grown up enough to play in the same league as oil and the S&P. The bad news, same league means same volatility on dumb headlines. Europe's banks just officially surrendered to crypto. CoinDesk's reporting they're going all in. Custody, trading desks, the whole stack, under the new MiCA crypto regulation framework. Watching the same European banks that called Bitcoin a Ponzi 5 years ago suddenly fight each other over crypto custody fees is straight up poetry. Meanwhile, America's still arguing about whether Ether is a security. Pick up the pace, we're getting lapped. Crypto was secretly built for AI agents this whole time, apparently. Coinbase's Jesse Pollak and Alchemy's CEO both dropped the same take this week. AI agents are the next big wave for crypto payments, and the rails were basically designed for them. Think about it. Banks make humans wait 3 days to send a wire. AI agents need to move money in 3 seconds with no human in the loop, 24/7. Guess which network they're going to use, and guess which one's going to print transaction fees. Anthropic's new Mythos model is now apparently the best smart contract auditor on the planet, and it's forcing the entire crypto industry to rethink security. The model is catching bugs that human auditors have been missing for years. Translation, every protocol that hasn't run their code through it is basically begging to get drained. Good news, hacks should drop hard. Bad news, every script kiddie has the exact same tool now. Ship code accordingly. The clock is ticking on Bitcoin's quantum problem, and roughly 6.9 million coins, including Satoshi's stash, are sitting exposed on-chain to a future quantum attack. That's about a third of all Bitcoin in existence at risk of getting drained. Ethereum has a coordinated, well-funded post-quantum migration plan. Bitcoin has vibes. That's the anti-centralization culture working against itself, and the devs need to cook on this one before the quantum guys cook us first. Ripple's XRP is coiling up for a major move. The price is pinned around $1.44 in the tightest squeeze it's seen in months, and these triangles almost always resolve into a big move one way or the other. Spot XRP ETFs are pulling in fresh inflows, with total institutional positioning now above $2.6 billion. Nearly 35 million XRP just left exchanges in a single day. That's not random, that's quiet accumulation, and quiet accumulation rarely ends quiet. Quick reminder, today's video is sponsored by Compete Token, the gaming crypto with actual real games. Link in the description. That's the news, same time tomorrow. Peace.